What's up, everyone? Are you tired of your window AC unit wobbling like it's about to take a dive? Or maybe you're renting and can't drill holes in your walls? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're counting down the top 10 best air conditioner support brackets that require no drilling, can handle serious weight, and install in minutes. We're starting with the absolute best and working our way down. Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. We're always testing the latest home improvement gear. Starting strong at number 1, the Ivation AC bracket. This is the perfect combination of engineering, ease of use, and reliability that sets the gold standard for AC brackets. What makes this the absolute winner? First, that spring button expansion system from 24 to 38 inches is absolutely foolproof. Press, extend, release, perfect fit every time. The 4 to 11-inch wall thickness range covers literally every situation you'll encounter. But here's what sealed the deal: the integrated rubberized feet. These aren't just anti-slip pads, they're engineered stability enhancers that absorb vibration and provide rock-solid contact with your exterior wall. The premium steel construction with epoxy coating means you're buying this once and using it for years. The tool-free assembly is brilliant, everything locks together intuitively. And that user guide? Actually useful, not just marketing fluff. For the perfect balance of safety, durability, and user-friendliness, the Ivation takes the crown. At number 2, we've got the Jeacent bracket, and here's why it's such a close second. This thing is built for people who move, and in today's rental market, that's a lot of us. The genius is in the quick removal and reinstallation system. Store your AC indoors during winter? No problem. Moving to a new apartment? Take your bracket with you. The 22 to 38-inch adjustability means it'll work in your new place too. That 18-inch AC resting surface is generous, your unit sits stable and secure. The 9-pound weight tells you this is serious steel construction, not some flimsy imitation. And with patent no. US 10,295,221, you know you're getting the real deal, not a knockoff. Number 3 brings us the universal adjustable bracket with a feature that literally prevents disasters. That matte surface isn't just for looks, it's engineered to prevent your AC from sliding out of the window. Think about it, most brackets have smooth surfaces that can get slippery with condensation or rain. This matte finish creates just enough grip to keep your expensive AC unit exactly where it should be. The solid epoxy coating over thick steel plate construction means this thing is built like a tank. The stress relief system is brilliant too. Instead of your windowsill bearing all that weight and vibration, the bracket transfers it to the actual window frame. The enhanced safety features with support legs and extension beams mean multiple points of contact for maximum stability. Number 4 comes with some serious credentials: United States Patent US 10295221B2. That's not just a number, that's protection for genuine innovation. The standout feature here is the windowsill protection system. Instead of your expensive window taking all the stress and weight of your AC unit, this bracket transfers that load to the window frame where it belongs. Over time, this could literally save your window from damage. The 4 to 11-inch wall thickness compatibility and 24 to 36-inch window range covers most residential applications. That epoxy-coated steel construction means you're investing in something that'll last multiple AC replacements. The integrated rubberized feet provide that extra stability that gives you peace of mind during storms. At number 5, we've got the ProRocket bracket with patent-pending technology. When a company patents their design, you know they're onto something special. This one's all about that premium steel plate with solid epoxy coating. It expands from 19 to 39 inches, which covers pretty much every window size you'll encounter. The 3 to 11-inch wall thickness range means it works in everything from modern apartments to older homes with thick walls. What sets this apart is the complete elimination of external work. Everything happens from inside your home. No ladders, no weather concerns, no drilling into your exterior walls. For renters, this is absolute gold. And that white finish? It actually looks good, not like some industrial afterthought. Number 6 brings some serious engineering to the table. This mini split wall mount bracket has 3D stamped ridges. That's not just marketing speak, that's actual structural reinforcement that distributes weight better than flat surfaces. But the real innovation is the slide type connection. Most brackets use fixed screws, but this lets you adjust the angle on the fly. Installing a mini split on an uneven wall? No problem. Need to fine-tune the position? Slide it into place. The spray finish isn't just pretty, it's a rust prevention system that'll keep this bracket looking new for years. The adjustable backrest with the cushioned rubber pad eliminates those annoying vibrations that can drive you crazy at night. Now we're getting into the specialized territory with number 7, the Air Jade Mini Split Base Kit. This isn't about hanging anything, it's about what goes on the ground. Here's the thing about mini split outdoor units, they vibrate. A lot. And that vibration travels through your foundation and into your house. These rubber isolator brackets are like noise-canceling headphones for your home. They can handle up to 1,100 pounds, which is absolutely massive for ground mount applications. The high-quality rubber doesn't just absorb vibration, it isolates it completely. Your neighbors will thank you, and you'll actually be able to enjoy your patio again. Easy installation on any solid surface, and you get everything you need in the box. Number 8 promises something we all want: a 3-minute installation. The updated adjustable bracket lives up to the hype with its simple pin system. No threading, no complex adjustments, just slide and lock. This one's a bit wider than most, fitting 26 to 41-inch windows, which is perfect if you've got those larger openings. The 220-pound capacity handles everything from compact units to those energy-hungry monsters. What I love about this one is the galvanized steel construction. While others might rust after a season or two, this one's built for the long haul. The anti-slip rubber pads on the support legs are a nice touch to stability where you need it most. Coming in at number 9, we've got the absolute beast of outdoor brackets, the Aryuki. This isn't for your typical window unit, folks. We're talking mini splits, heat pumps, the whole HVAC family. Check this out: 550 pounds of holding power. That's like mounting a small motorcycle to your wall. The galvanized steel construction with that glossy epoxy finish means Mother Nature can throw her worst at it. Rain, snow, UV rays, this bracket laughs at all of it. The genius is in the details though. Built-in vibration control and shock absorbers mean your expensive mini split isn't rattling itself to death. Plus, that foldable design? Installation is actually manageable for us regular folks. Rounding out our list at number 10 is the Cat So Rich bracket. Now, what makes this one special? First up, it's got this exclusive bubble level built right in. No more eyeballing whether your AC is sitting straight. This baby expands from 34 to 42 inches, so it fits most windows and handles up to 220 pounds of cooling power. But here's the kicker: they've added non-slip rubber pads that don't just prevent sliding, they actually reduce the noise your AC makes. Imagine that, cooler and quieter. The premium epoxy coating means this thing will outlast probably 3 AC units. Just remember, this works best with solid sills, not hollow aluminum ones. So there you have it, the top 10 AC support brackets that'll keep you cool without breaking your bank or your walls. Whether you're dealing with a compact 5,000 BTU unit or a monster 24,000 BTU cooler, there's a bracket on this list that's perfect for your situation. Which one caught your attention? Drop a comment below and let me know your AC horror stories. We've all got them. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more home improvement deep dives. And hey, if you end up buying one of these brackets, come back and let us know how the installation went. We love hearing from you.